Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW X1 in park. To begin, locate your gear selector lever. On top of this lever, you'll find a distinct P button. Simply press this button firmly. You'll know it's engaged when the P indicator light illuminates on your dashboard, confirming your vehicle is securely in park. It's a straightforward process for everyday use. After selecting park, your BMW X1's electronic parking brake often engages automatically, adding an extra layer of security. However, for complete peace of mind, especially on uneven ground, you can manually engage it. Just pull the parking brake lever up until you see the corresponding indicator light illuminate on your instrument cluster. This ensures your vehicle remains stationary. When parking on any incline, always prioritize safety by engaging the parking brake. If you're facing downhill, remember to turn your front wheels towards the curb. This simple step ensures that if your vehicle were to roll, it would gently rest against the curb. Conversely, when parking uphill, turn your front wheels away from the curb for similar protection. Before leaving your BMW X1, always confirm the engine is completely off and all accessories are powered down. Take a moment to double-check that all doors are securely locked for your vehicle's safety. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for pet owners and busy households. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.